BAFX products for Android only wireless Bluetooth Obd2 scanner diagnostic code reader and scan tool scan, reset and clear car check engine light. Not compatible with iOS devices, iPhones, iPads etc. Our Bluetooth Obd2 scanner is only compatible with Android or Windows devices. For iOS devices, see our Wi-Fi OBD reader. Read and reset our Obd2 diagnostic scanner tool will work on all cars purchased in the USA model year 1996 or newer. Unlike other Obd2 scanners, ours works on all Obd2 protocols including J1850 and CAN. With our scan tool you can read and reset the check engine light on your car with ease. Real-time monitor the diagnostic sensors in your vehicle in real time for things like O2 data, fuel pressure, evap system and more, car reporting and EVAP code. Check your O2 readings to see which sensor is faulty and get it fixed. React quickly to problems like a professional mechanic.